Hey diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back at you with yet another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Fam Bam. Please go ahead and click the subscribe button below and also the notification bell so that you won't miss another video. Today we're going to get into this super bright orange and gold look. Today I did want to incorporate my recent purchases at Ulta, the Juvia's Place palettes. I do have the Warrior and of course the oldie but goodie, the Zulu. I also picked up one of their festival liquid lipsticks in the shade Soil, which I am rocking in this look and I absolutely adore it. I don't know what took me so long to purchase it. So if you do have an Ulta in your area, definitely go out and grab these. So without further ado, diamonds, if you're interested in finding out how I came up with this look, you know what to do. Before we get started, I'm going to apply the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I received these in my August BOXY charm. I'll link the video in the cards so you can check that out. To start, I'm going in with my Morphe 3502 palette. I'm going to grab Orb, which is kind of like a brownie orange, and I'm going to use that with my Sigma SS224 brush. I'm going to focus Orb above my crease using windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm going in with the Zulu palette. I'm going to grab that insanely pigmented orange and pop it in my crease and slightly above. With my MAC 217, I'm going to blend both the Orb and the orange from that Zulu palette together using a circular and windshield wiper motion. Now back to the 3502 palette. I picked up a Blaze with that same MAC 217, and I'm going to apply that directly into my crease just to give it some dimension. Taking heat with that same 217 brush, and I'm going to apply that to the outer V area only. To cut my crease, I'm going to use my Fit Me concealer in Cafe. I'm tilting my head forward so that the concealer will transfer onto my lid so that I can know how high to actually take it. To smooth and even out the concealer, I grab my Morphe M167 brush and I'm going to use that to smooth it out and make sure that that line is super, super crispy. Now that my concealer is done, I am going to top it with my, I believe that's pronounced BOXY, from the Warrior palette. It is a super, super pigmented gold. It is beautiful. I'm going to grab my MAC 217 brush and I'm going to dip it in both a Blaze and Heat, and I am going to apply that in that outer V, blending it into BOXY. Now it's time for the face. I'm going to start off by removing my eye mask and tapping that excess solution into my skin. To prep my skin for my foundation, I am going to use Benefit the Professional. on to foundation. I am going to be using one of my faves today, the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation in the color D70. If you haven't checked out my review on that, I will link the card above so that you can do so. This is an excellent, excellent, excellent drugstore foundation. I did apply it with my Japanese high density foundation brush, which I did spray with my Mario Badescu Cucumber and Green Tea Spray. For concealer, I grabbed the Tarte's Shape Tape in Deep, and I blended that out with a damp beauty blender. To contour, I use the LA Girls Concealer in Mahogany. On to bronzing, I grabbed my favorite, the Estee Edits Bears Bronzer, and I applied that with my Real Techniques Multitask Brush. For blush, I'm going to apply my NYX Soft Flush using my Sigma SS168. Last but not least, on to the lips. I am going to apply the Festival Liquid Lip in Soul. And for this, I chose not to use a liner. I kind of wanted the lipstick to just kind of, you know, do its thing and see what it would look like straight out of the tube. And I might say that I was very happy with the outcome. And diamonds, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. I am so appreciative of all the support that I have gotten for this channel. And diamonds, as always, until next time.